Hey crafty community, it's Ashley Prayer with Ashley Creations, and I wanted to come on here and do a Temu haul with you. I got a few things. It'll be quick. First I got this awesome little pink bag that I'm going to use. Well, it's not little, it's a large pink bag that will be easy to wipe off. It's like a plastic material. So it should be easy to wipe off, and I got it to take to the Y when I take my kids to swim. It's got little holes, you know, so you can, like if you put wet clothes or something in it, it can easily dry up. So I got that, and it's got straps to it, or little buttons to strap them to the sides. So I got that. Then I got me some regular scissors, because I'm always needing scissors around the house. You know, us crafters, you know how we are. So I got some of those. I'll lay them right there. And then I got some sewing scissors. To go with my sewing machine. Lay those right there too, so I can put them away. Then I got me two of these easy assorted self-threading needles for older people. So I got them so I could and they have a case with them. I got me 2 packs of those. So super excited for those. Sorry if you hear that rain and storming. It's storming here. So I got 2 of those. Then I got me some little tags for my craft fair. Put those right there. And then I got me some self-filling bags for my craft fair. I got some really large ones, and then I got some smaller ones. And then for my Etsy shop, I got some little things that say fragile, handle with care, and do not be handled with care, do not bend, thank you. So I got them to put with my business stuff. Then I got a miniature little cutting board that I could pack with me when I'm at my craft fair if it gets slow and I need something to do. And I thought I just got one, but I got 2 little mini scoreboards. So those will go out in my building. Then I got, these have 6 in them. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 packs. They're little mini lip balms. And I'm going to be putting these in my craft fair. So I got those. And then I got this little book. It's one of those little money saver books. I got it to try to start budgeting with. It has the little folders in it. They're really pretty. It also has little zipper bags. And then it has budget sheets. And they're oh so pretty. That one has like little rainbows on it. Little polka dots. And this one has little dots. And it comes with some stickers and labels. Didn't know it was supposed to storm tonight. And then here's some little looks like little paint splotches and little polka dots. Here's some little leaves. And here's some little flowers. Don't have that one in good. And then there's some extra budget sheets, and then it's got a little pen that goes with it. So it's really cute, and I thought I could use that to help me budget with. Then I got this headset for my daughter. It's pink, and it's wireless, and it's got a speaker. I was thinking it had a mic with it, built in with it. I was trying to see if it told me. But I'm not seeing. Let's look at it. I got my older son one of these, but he cleaned his room really good for me, and I went ahead and let him have it. It was in a black and red color. I'm not seeing it say it has it. Well, darn. I was hoping that she loves to sing, so I was hoping it had a little mic to it. It has a cable with it. I'm sorry about that thunder, you guys. And then I got my little boys. They're always jealous of the kids. So I got them little headphones as well. Theirs is not wireless. They plug in to their devices. And I got them the same color. This box has been beat up some. So that is my haul. I hope you enjoyed it. I also got me a camera stand, but I'm using it right now. So, thank you for watching my channel. I appreciate all my subscribers who support me. I am going to have I'm getting close to 50. I think I have one more and I'll hit 50. But when I hit 100, I'm going to do a crafty giveaway. So, let's share this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that thumbs up. If you haven't already, hit that notification bell and make sure you hit all so that you don't miss a video. And if you've watched this video, go ahead and watch another video. It helps my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Have a crafty good day. Bye.